Hello, quilty friends, and welcome to another episode of Tea Time with Tracy. I'm your host, Tracy Mooney, the Chief Quilting Officer for Keepsake Quilting. How are you this week? Are you staying warm enough? It's been kind of cold this past week. So I've been quite busy. We have so many things planned for 2024, and it's getting a little bit exciting. I thought that I would take this week and let you know what's going on. Spill the tea, as it were. So, I don't know if you are aware of the Keepsake Quilting app, KQ Live. It is a really fun app that gives you the ability to shop just directly from your phone. The kind of cool thing about it is that we have live selling events right in the app. Now, we've only done a few since I've been at Keepsake, but we are about to kick it into high gear, and I have got some amazingly fun things planned for you. So, what is going to happen in February? We are going to start kicking off a regular schedule of KQ Live, starting with Embroidery Club. Now, Embroidery Club in the past, it was super popular in KQ Live. And if you haven't joined and you have an embroidery machine, but maybe you're a little bit intimidated by it, this is the club for you. I'm partnering with Lisa Archer from Pickle Pie Designs to work on a block of the month. This is going to be so much fun. I can't even contain my excitement. I don't even know the whole project, because it's honestly going to be a mystery. The blocks are going to drop each month. You'll have the ability to purchase individual downloads one at a time. You can purchase the whole thing as a year-long adventure. But what I can tell you, that even though you can't see the design, these designs are incredibly versatile. You can either just make one block per month, and we'll have kits in 2 colorways for you to purchase. Or you can take that single design and you can create a quilt of any size you want with just that one block. So it is going to be so much fun. I can't even tell you. So after that, we're going to have a few different notions themed events every month. So we're starting off with 2. We're going to do quilts around different patterns and rulers and notions and that kind of stuff. That is going to be lots of fun. And of course, because it's Keepsake, we are going to have kits for you to purchase as well. All kinds of a variety of fabrics to choose from. And of course, our signature 108 backings. So look forward for that. And then of course, we are also going to be doing KQ Lives around pineapple fabrics, so that you can actually see how they work if you've never worked with pineapple fabrics before. You buy a kit, you get a free pattern, and then you make a beautiful project. And it could be anything from a quilt down to a bag or a table runner or any kind of things like that. So you are going to have so much fun. And I think my goal in hosting KQ Live is that I give you something to tune in for, whether it's entertainment or learning something new or learning about the latest block of the month that's available or some great fabric that's coming out. I want you to tune in whether or not you're planning to purchase, because we want you as our customer to be having fun along with us. So I am going to drop in a little video at the end of this so that you can see how to download the app and register and start looking for our notifications of when the first KQ Lives will start in February. I'll see you soon. How to download KQ Live. First, go to the App Store on your phone or tablet and type in KQ Live in the search bar. This is what the app looks like. When you click on it, you can download the app to your phone or tablet. Then simply open the app and you'll have to create an account or sign in. To create an account, simply type in the required information, name, email address, and then create a secure password. Then hit sign up. Now you'll have access to this app. Be sure to enable notifications so you won't miss out every time we go live. See you soon.